Welcome to our ninth Advanced Automations AI class. First, I want to apologize for the delay in starting this session. I have been tied up with some busy work commitments. In our previous class, we walked through the full journey of automations, creating Google Form, the entry point for collecting responses, link the form to Google Sheet where all submitted data automatically appears, connecting the sheet with the Google App script, Google Codes where we wrote our custom functions, setting up triggers so that the moment new data was submitted in the form, the function executed automatically, automating emails. The function then generated and sent out emails instantly whenever the new entries came in. In today class 9, we are going to move one step further from what we learned before in class 8 previously. We focus on full automations where the system handle everything automatically. But today we will explore how to divide our work between automations and manual actions. Sometimes it is better to let automation handle part of the process while giving us control to manually trigger certain actions. Today, learning goals, the manual function WhatsApp sending. We will create a function where the WhatsApp message link is generated for each student. When we click the link directly inside the Google Sheet, the WhatsApp will open and we can send the message manually. Automatic functions, the email sending. At the same time, we will keep the automation from the last class and the email will be generated and sent automatically the moment new data is submitted in a Google Sheet. It will send the email to the student. The key outcome of the class 9, by the end of today's lesson, we will understand how to combine the automation and manual process together. So part of our work is done automatically emails and the part requires just single manual click is WhatsApp. The class 9 where we set up automation with the Google Form Sheets, Google Apps script and triggers is extremely useful for real world application like practical use cases. The school registration form, the parents fill out a form with the student details. The data goes directly into the Google Sheet. An automatic confirmations email is sent with admissions details. The staff can click a WhatsApp link in the sheet to quickly messages parent for missing documents or fee update. Small business inquiries, the customer submit inquiries through an online form. Data gets recorded in sheet. Automated email replies provide pricing services or appointment slots. Manual WhatsApp follow up links let the business owner message customer instantly. Lawyer or clinic registrations, clinics fill in their personal details and services requirement. A case treatment intake sheets is generated automatically. Email confirmation is sent. For example, the appointment details, required documents. Staff can click the WhatsApp link to confirm schedule or send reminders. Why this class is powerful? It saves the time by combining the automations and manual actions. Email sent automatically. WhatsApp links are triggered manually when needed. It's reduced the human's error. Data is pulled directly from the form into the sheet. It's work for any type of registration or inquiry process across industry. Okay, so now we are going to start our class. So we're gonna start from the form. So how do we go to the form? So we just write in our Google browser, Google form. So and we click that Google form. The Google form is open here. Then we click the Google form from the drop down menu, and from here we select the blank form. Now we're going to create the few field in form. So let's say we creating the form for the school registrations. So our first field is the name, and then type of this field is the short answer. And now we are going to create the second field class. So that name, so we have a two option, either we place this press button to create the second field, or we can press this double frame to duplicate this field. So we click that duplicate field. So the field create second field created here. The second field name is class, and this field we want drop down. So from there we select the type of the data drop down, and here we select the class A. Class A. Second option is class B, and third option is class C. So that is how we created our second field. Now we are going to add our third field. Third field is the email address. So instead of making the duplicate, we learn another process to adding the third field. So we create the add button, and in third field we write the email address. And then fourth field we need the WhatsApp number. So we press the another option is the duplicate field, and here we write the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number. So that is how this our form is created, and then we press the publish button, and then form will be published. So moment we publish the form, so the form will appear in front of like this, right? And then from responses, we select the responses from the top, and then here we click the sheet, so the sheet will link with this form. So you can see the sheet is linked with the form, right? Okay. So now we submit few data inside the form. So let's see this how the form work. So we copy the link of this form, and we open into the another browser, copy that and open the browser, open a new browser, paste it, and see these forms appear here. So now we add the some data here. Let's say Richard, Mr. Richard, and class B, and then email address is webshare69 dot gmail.com, and then our WhatsApp number, so 079 438 33 and 65. That's all, and we submit it. So moment we submitted the data, so see here the Mr. Richard data appears here, and here is the field. Now in this field, in this sheet, we create the two extra field. One is the message field. So this message will go to the WhatsApp number, and then have to link that with the. We have to create another column, that is the WhatsApp link, and then WhatsApp link. When we click that WhatsApp link, so see my WhatsApp open, and this message will appear in my WhatsApp. So let's do how we gonna create this WhatsApp link here. So we go to the chat GPT and we will write the prompt for the WhatsApp link. Yeah, this is, yeah. So here I took the picture of my form. So this is, if you can let me yeah, you can see this. This is a picture I screenshot. I took it from my form, and then I told to the chat GPT to write the script for me. Mm, Then I told to the chat GPT write the oops, where is the chat GPT. Yeah, told to the chat GPT write the Google script for me. Yes, it was ChatGPT, and then we go to the library here. What we okay, new project, class 9 summary class uses here. Okay, yeah, okay. So I took the picture of that form and then I told to the chat GPT write the screen for me and then write the what you call the code for me for that screen. So this let me this prompt I gonna write it for you in my commit section so you can copy and paste from there. Let me show you the prompt. So this is the prompt I write. This is the column. This is my sheet. Column B is the name. Column C is the class. Column D is the email address. Column E is the message. Column F is the WhatsApp number, and column G is the WhatsApp link. So I want to give me the WhatsApp link. So that is the formula. The chat GPT gave it to me, and this formula I paste it here in our Excel sheets. Or here in our Excel sheet link. So you can see this formula was copy here. Okay. And then I want to do the automation for the email address. So second prompt I wrote for the email. So the moment the form is created, so you see the email has been sent. So let's go and see we receive the email or not. We go to the email address, we go over inbox and see this is the email we received from the Mr. Richard, class B. So I hope you are with me and then you enjoy our today class. So wherever you stuck, you can write down the message in comment or question in comment. So I will answer you. Thank you so much. Done. This is our yeah. One thing I forgot to show you how to write the code. So for that also how to write the automation code for the email address. So that is also we did by the chat GPT because at the moment we don't want to go to learn the coding. So I just wrote this simple prompt here. Set me an automation when the entry submitted into the form. So the email automatically sent and in column H show email delivery report that the email has been sent. The moment when I wrote this, so this code has been written from to me from the chat GPT. So for that I went back to the my sheets here, and from the sheets I went to the extensions, and from the extension I select the apps script. The moment I select the apps script, it will take me to the coding. Let's select here the app script. Okay, this is our coding page here. So the whatever code we receive from the chat GPT, we copy from here and we paste it in our code.gs file. And then we press the control S, so the file has been saved. After that, we have to create the triggers. So for triggers, we will go to the library and then we select the triggers here. In trigger, okay, so here is our triggers. So we edit this here. So the first option we choose on form submit. So the moment the data the submitted into the form, it will appear into the spreadsheet, and from the spreadsheet it will convert and send it to the email. Yeah, so that's all. That is the yeah, this is the end of our class 9. So inshallah we will see you in our class 10, maybe in the next week. Okay, done.